Every journey begins with raw earth, the foundation of the powerful SUV tire manufacturing process. This delicate incision awakens the tree's flow. Natural rubber latex, the primary polymer source, crucial for
collected and concentrated, the liquid gold is now ready for its first transformation stage before reaching the main SUV tire manufacturing facility. Chemical additives cause the liquid latex to solidify, turning it into raw sheets of rubber, which are easier to handle for the next steps in SUV tire manufacturing. Powerful rollers compact the material, removing impurities and moisture. This is the solid foundation of every SUV tire manufacturing design.
A controlled environment cures the sheets, ensuring maximum stability and longevity before they begin their.
For efficient transport, the raw rubber is compressed into dense bales, ready to travel across continents.
Strength and color come from the earth too. Carbon black, mined and refined, is key to the abrasion resistance required for rugged SUV tire manufacturing. The global supply chain orchestrates the complex symphony of material delivery. Millions of pounds of raw goods converge on a single destination. For weeks, these essential building blocks travel the maritime highways, ensuring continuity in the demanding world of SUV tire manufacturing.
Weather systems and navigation challenges are overcome, driven by the relentless demands of a 24-hour production schedule.
Docking complete. The materials are now only hours away from the factory floor.
This is the Mega Factory, a city dedicated entirely to the science and production of high-performance mobility. Security is tight. Every bale, every spool, every barrel is accounted for upon entry.
The raw material is immediately cataloged and prepared for introduction into the complex mixing process.
In this massive supply depot, the ingredients for thousands of tires await their moment of transformation.
The raw ingredients leave the quiet storage area and enter the high-energy environment of manufacturing.
This is the Banbury Mixer, a furnace of friction and heat where rubber science meets power.
The precise ratios of rubber, natural elasticity, and synthetic durability are carefully weighed and fed into the chamber.
A tire is only as strong as its structure. Steel cords provide the crucial rigidity and impact resistance needed for large SUV tire manufacture. Performance secrets are held in precise chemical compounds, ingredients that accelerate vulcanization and protect the rubber structure from ozone and heat.
Preparation for mixing starts with breaking down the dense raw polymer into manageable pieces. Adjacent to the rubber prep area, the strengthening components, high-tensile steel, are stored under climate control.
The reinforcing agent, carbon black, is added. It transforms the sticky polymer into a tough, durable compound.
Under immense pressure and temperatures exceeding 150 degrees Celsius, the materials are blended until they become perfectly homogeneous.
The master batch is released. This initial compound is tough, but still lacks the final chemical accelerators needed for performance. The compound must be quickly cooled and rested to stabilize its properties before the second stage of mixing.
In the final mix, sulfur and vulcanizing chemicals are introduced. These additives will allow the tire to maintain its shape and resilience when cured.
Milling ensures ultimate consistency, smoothing out any last imperfections before the material is extruded into component shapes. The extruder takes the perfected compound and forms the most critical component, the tire tread itself. The complex tread geometry, designed for maximum grip and water dispersion, takes form instantly.
Cut with flawless precision, the tread is ready for storage and transfer to the tire building machine.
Participants. The inner liner, a thin but vital layer, must be flawless to prevent air leakage and maintain pressure.
The carcass ply, the structural backbone of the tire, receives a rubber coating. This ensures the fiber and rubber adhere perfectly during curing. The belts must withstand incredible impact. Rubber encapsulates every single steel cord, protecting them from fatigue and ensuring structural integrity.
Belts are cut at specific angles to create a crisscross reinforcement pattern, delivering stability and control for the heavy load of an SUV.
The bead assembly secures the tire to the rim.
Its strength must be absolute, formed from specialized high-strength wire.
The rigid bead receives its final rubber jacket, ensuring a snug, airtight fit against the wheel rim. All components converge here. The TBM is the ultimate assembly unit, transforming individual parts into the unified green tire.
Layer by layer, the tire structure begins. The inner liner is perfectly centered, guaranteeing airtight performance.
The carcass plies are laid down, giving the sidewall its strength and flexibility. Air pockets are eliminated with extreme precision.
The flat structure is dramatically shaped by air pressure, mimicking the tire's eventual functional form. The final layers, the high-strength belts and the complex tread, are applied, completing the green tire assembly. Uncured and fragile, this green tire is now ready for the crucial process of vulcanization.
This is the curing zone, where heat, pressure, and time chemically bond the components into a singular, resilient structure. Each mold contains the precise tread pattern, branding, and size information destined for the final SUV tire manufacturing product. Under immense pressure, up to 200 psi, and high steam heat, the vulcanization process chemically locks the sulfur with the rubber polymers.
This controlled fusion grants the rubber its permanent elasticity and resilience, critical for high-speed performance.
The vulcanization is complete. After precise timing, the Road Titan emerges, fully formed and ready for quality checks. The finished SUV tire manufacturing product retains the heat of its creation, requiring initial cooling before inspection.
The definitive tread pattern is now set, a hallmark of safety and performance.
The transition to quality control is immediate. Nothing leaves the factory floor without rigorous, layered inspection. Minute details matter. Automated trimming removes residual rubber from the molding process, ensuring a clean, professional finish.
Even in an automated world, the human eye remains critical. Technicians manually check for blemishes that machines might miss.
Every tire receives a unique identity for tracking, traceability, and ensuring consumer safety throughout the lifespan of the SUV tire manufacturing product.
The tire must deliver a smooth, quiet ride. The uniformity machine simulates road forces to identify any variations in stiffness or shape.
Any deviation in radial or lateral force is measured in fractions of a millimeter. Only perfect components pass this critical hurdle.
Finally, the dynamic balance is confirmed, preparing the tire for mounting and high-speed driving.
A finishing touch. This protective spray maintains the aesthetic quality and further resists environmental degradation.
If any quality metrics fail, the tire is immediately diverted, guaranteeing that only perfection reaches the customer.
The finished tires are palletized by synchronized robotics, preparing them for bulk transport.
The global distribution network activates, sending the finished product to assembly plants and retail outlets worldwide.
Sealed and secured, the journey is now focused on reaching the final customer.
The moment of truth. The tread meets the road, ready to deliver on the promises of precision engineering and durability.
Engineered for maximum safety and performance, these tires provide reliable grip, regardless of conditions. For the SUV market, versatility is paramount. From highway cruising to rugged terrain, the strength of the manufacturer.
From a simple drop of latex to a sculpted marvel of engineering, this is the epic journey of SUV